Love the way you wind it, coco. Like when you get it down so loco. Put it down on the African boy.
Why slow on it? Take control of it. Take all of it. Yeah.
What up, what up, what up, YouTubers? It's me, Busy Bee, and I'm back with another wig review. This time we are doing something from the Janet collection. Do you see this color? Do you see what I am serving up today? Okay. We are doing a unit from the Janet collection. I am in love with this burgundy unit. And the curls. Yes, the curls. Okay. So if you haven't already, go ahead. Follow me on Instagram. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button right here. Go ahead and do that so that you can continue to get every video that I put up, so you know when something new comes out and you can get all the deets. So let's go ahead and jump into this unit. So this unit is from the Janet collection. It's the Brazilian scent collection, and even though it says Brazilian scent, there's no scent. Don't know about that. Anyway, this says that it's 100% natural Brazilian human hair. Now, I don't know about that, okay? And I did look all over the card, and it keeps saying 100% human hair. Like everywhere on this card. I mean, I'm looking and I'm looking, and it says 100% human hair. And it keeps saying human hair, 100%. Is this really human hair? I don't know. The whole point is, I got this one. It's called Harriet, and I got it in OET 1B Burg, and I actually love it. Now here's why I love it, okay? It comes with a beautiful part. I didn't go in, I didn't tweeze, nothing. All I did was put my foundation in, and it was good to go. It also came with like these little hairs that I love, which is supposed to be baby hairs. Now what I do is I don't glue them down. Now I know a lot of people will glue their baby hairs down, or not glue, sorry, gel their baby hairs down. When I get units where it actually has it, I try to just leave it and let be, so that it just looks like kind of natural hair hanging out. And then what I'll do is I'll do my edges and, you know, gel those a little bit, because to me it just looks a little better. It looks a little realistic, like that way instead of the other way. So this is the unit. I'm gonna go ahead, I'm gonna show you the back of the unit. So you can see it's got a lot of curls, okay? And it's one where if I wanted to, you can do and bring it up in a ponytail, and it would be really, really cute. But yeah, it's a cute unit actually. I mean, it's just really, 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 really cute. So let's jump into how I got it to look all like this, okay? Okay. So, you guys already know for my edges, I use Design Essentials, Curl Enhancing Mousse. So I've already gone in and I've combed it out some, just because the curls were really, really, really tight, and I didn't want that tightness. So I did comb it out some, and I'm gonna go ahead and put this bad boy on. It has 2 combs on the top inside, and then it has another comb here at the bottom. And it is a lace front, so obviously I went in and I already cut the lace off the lace front.
The baby girl hop on the conga. Bad man won't give you ginger. Girl, you got the sauce. Girl, you got the everything. Way your body move, you're my medicine. Book, booty, book. Love the way you wind the coco. Like when you get it down so loco. Mommy, hold like Jamaican.
So essentially this is the finished product and I really love it. So I want to show you the back. And this is something that I think you can do where, because of the way it's made and it actually has like a little piece in the back, I think you can actually take it and put it up in a ponytail too, which I think is going to be so cute when I do it. But you guys see that? So it is cute as a ponytail. So I definitely will be doing that one day. And I mean, it's just a really nice unit. I love the color. Just gonna come in so you can see it a little closer. And I mean, it looks good to me without me, you know, having to gel my hair down with Gotta Be Glued or any type of glue, because I like to change mine every day. I like to have my hair breathe. I like to give my hair sunlight on some days because your hair needs that vitamin D. And yeah, I need to be able to do that. So I don't do the whole glue thing. I'm very careful with my edges. As you can see, I have my wig grip on. I'm all about making sure that the hair underneath stays good. So let me know what you think about this unit. And that's pretty much it. I mean, this is it, boo. Thank you for watching my video.